In today's video, I will walk you through how to record credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. Start by locating the Create button at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Click Create to open the drop-down menu with the available transaction options. From the menu, select Expense. This will open the expense form where you can enter the details for the transaction. Start by entering the vendor or payee. Next, enter the date of the expense. Then, pay close attention to the payment account and payment method fields. For the payment account, select the credit card you used for the transaction from the list of available accounts. For the payment method, confirm that the payment was made through your credit card. Make sure the vendor or payee, date, payment account, and payment method all reflect the transaction you're recording. Once you've entered the required details, review the information and make sure everything is correct. When you're finished, select Save and Close. This will save the transaction to your QuickBooks Online records and return you to the main dashboard. Your credit card payment is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. By entering the transaction as an expense, selecting the correct credit card account, confirming the payment method, and saving the transaction, you can complete the recording process in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.